This video introduces how to activate licenses on the Ruijie 1600Z S-Series cloud-managed firewall. The Ruijie 1600Z S-Series firewall is the next-generation firewall of Ruijie networks for users in all industries. A web UI is provided for device configuration and management. Ruijie Cloud is a maintenance and management platform for the Ruijie 1600Z S-Series firewall. You can manage and activate licenses of the firewall on Ruijie Cloud. A license represents the authorization granted by Ruijie networks for using specific software functions. After purchasing a device, you can use basic functions of the device. If you need to use value-added features or expand device resources due to service expansion, you can purchase the corresponding function or resource licenses to meet service requirements. License activation and display may vary with the device model and software version. The licenses for the Ruijie 1600Z S-Series firewall fall into performance licenses and signature library upgrade licenses. The default throughput performance of different device models varies, and the throughput performance can be expanded by configuring performance licenses. For a single device, a limited number of performance licenses can be configured depending on the device model. After activation, a performance license takes effect permanently, and the maximum validity period of a signature library upgrade license is 1 year. If multiple signature library upgrade licenses of the same type are activated, the validity periods can be accumulated. The Ruijie 1600Z S-Series firewall supports both online and manual activation, and Ruijie Cloud supports only online activation. Online activation applies to scenarios where the firewall can connect to the internet. After binding the firewall on Ruijie Cloud, you can perform online license activation on the firewall web UI. The following describes the online license activation procedure. The license activation procedure includes pre-activation preparation, Ruijie Cloud account registration, device binding, and license activation on the firewall web UI. Before activation, obtain the device SN and license code. Log in on the firewall web UI. Choose System Config Authorization Management. Click Copy to obtain the device SN. After purchasing the license, the user will receive an email with license information. The email will include a link to download the license file. The license code can be found in the license file. Open a browser, enter https://cloud.ruijienetworks.com in the address bar, and press enter. On the web UI of Ruijie Cloud that is displayed, click No Account, Register 1. Before registration, read the user license agreement and privacy policy to learn about the conventions for Ruijie Cloud accounts. Enter your email address, password, and other user information for registration. After the registration succeeds, you can use the email address and password for login. After login, click the plus icon in the upper right corner, and choose Add Device. In the dialog box that is displayed, select Firewall as the device type, and select a project to which the firewall needs to be added. If no project is available, click Create Project to create a project first. To ensure security, set a management password. Enter the device SN and alias. Click the name of the created project, and choose Monitoring Devices Firewall. Information about the firewall is displayed. Select the firewall, choose License Operation License Activation, and click the License and License Activation tabs in sequence. Enter the license code. To bind the same device with multiple license codes, click Add License Code and enter more license codes. Click Activate License to bind the firewall with the license codes on Ruijie Cloud. Log in on the Firewall web UI and choose System Config Authorization Management. On the page that is displayed, click Activate Now. The firewall automatically connects to Ruijie Cloud, requests license activation, and completes activation. After the activation succeeds, you can check license information in the lower part of the page. Thank you for watching.